Take down a few trees today. 1, 2, 3. It's a big multi-stem over there. We might do that one, but those 3 are going today. That one. And that one. But for right now, we're going to focus on these 3 right here. Right there. We got a shed, bunch of targets. We got to fell these trees into that hole over there so we can burn them. One down. See these? Always cut these off because you don't want to trip and fall on that. It'll cut right through you if you fall on it. Always cut those off when you're done. Okay, so I gotta fell that big pine way over there. It's got a heavy lean over that shed. So I set a line up in it. I could probably wedge it over, but it's pretty windy today. I don't want to find out the hard way I can't. And then I end up by owning that shed in the house, which by the way is mine. So I really don't want to fuck that up or mess it up. So put a rope up there. It wasn't long enough, so I added another line to it. You watch on YouTube these clowns, they'll go to pull a tree over and the rope's half the size it needs to be and they end up by getting hurt. So I'm gonna run this line over to here. Got my 5/8 CMI block in the base of that hickory tree. It's a good solid tree. It's not too bad. There's an oak there, but I like that one better. Plus that'll fit around there better, my whippy swing. Then I just got 2 CMI aluminum pulleys, 2 steel beaners. I know I should be using aluminum. That's what I just grabbed. But I'm just using it as putting a 3-to-1 in it, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So, because I don't want that tree to go the wrong way. And we got like 25-mile-an-hour gusts today, so I'm setting this up. I'm still going to wedge the tree over, but in case I can't get it over with the wedges, I can pull on this. But I'll pre-tension this, so I'll get some weight on it, and hopefully it's going to land right there. Originally, I was on the right side of that little pine tree. Didn't like it, but that's better. It's a straight run right to my block. I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna put either a Dutchman in or tie an Alpine butterfly, nice midline knot. I'm gonna right about here, and then I'll put a pulley in it, run my 3-to-1, be able to pull the tree over. By the way, that's a great place to buy your gear from. You can tell it's lean and heavy that way. Get the rope all the way down. It's actually more like a 4-to-1. Just gonna wedge it, tip it over. right where I wanted it. Remember, put all this stuff away, because if not, you'll leave something out in the woods. Ah, they're down. It's always so much easier doing this stuff at work. Well, that was easy. Now all I got to do is clean up that disaster with no equipment. Oh boy.